It is in our DNA at Fold Ecosystemic to want to cooperate because we think it's very important to be able to build up on others' knowledge because it's just too late. We have to act very soon. I'm the CEO of Fold Ecosystemics, and with my team of scientists, we put sensors locally directly on the forest, and we mix it with forest management indicators. And on top of that, we do bioacoustics, so we also have bird measurements or biodiversity indices. Reliable measurements for the nature restoration law is important because it enables a better decision-making process to happen. And in these times, we have to decide all together. So we have to have a framework that is common for everybody.